Welcome my friends to this channel, and pause for a moment because today we are stepping into the warm, cozy, and timeless world of rustic wood holiday decor projects that bring comfort, tradition, and natural beauty into every home. Before we begin this creative journey, please like this video and leave a comment below, because your support helps this channel reach more people who love handmade decor and meaningful seasonal creations crafted from wood. Rustic wood holiday decor has a special charm that never goes out of style. It connects us to nature, to memories of family gatherings, and to the warmth of handmade traditions. Unlike store-bought decorations, wooden holiday pieces feel personal and soulful, adding depth and character to festive spaces year after year. One of the most beautiful things about rustic holiday decor is its simplicity. Natural wood grain, soft textures, and earthy tones create a calm and welcoming atmosphere that feels authentic. Even the smallest wooden decoration can instantly make a space feel festive without being overwhelming. DIY rustic wood holiday projects are perfect for beginners because they don't require complex tools or advanced skills. Simple cutting, sanding, and finishing can transform basic wood into stunning seasonal decor that looks professional and heartfelt. Wooden holiday signs with seasonal words or phrases are always favorites. Whether painted, burned, or left natural, they add warmth to entryways, mantels, and walls. These pieces feel timeless and can be reused year after year. Rustic wooden ornaments are another classic project that never loses appeal. Small stars, trees, snowflakes, and hearts made from wood bring a cozy handmade touch to holiday trees and garlands. Natural wood candle holders create soft, warm lighting that instantly sets a festive mood. These pieces are simple to make and incredibly popular because they blend perfectly with winter decor and holiday tables. Wooden tabletop decor such as mini trees, houses, or village scenes adds charm to dining tables, shelves, and sideboards. These small projects are easy to customize and become treasured seasonal accents. Reclaimed wood holiday decor is especially loved because it combines sustainability with storytelling. Old wood carries history, and turning it into holiday decor gives it new life and meaning. Rustic wood wreaths offer a unique alternative to traditional greenery. Using wood slices, branches, or carved shapes creates a natural and long-lasting decoration that feels fresh and creative. Wooden countdown calendars and Advent-style displays are both decorative and interactive. Families love these pieces because they become part of holiday traditions year after year. Handmade wooden stocking holders and shelf decor add function while keeping a rustic aesthetic. These practical pieces often become focal points in living rooms. Holiday table settings made with wood, such as name tags, napkin holders, or centerpieces, bring a warm and personal touch to festive meals. Rustic wooden lanterns filled with lights or candles create cozy corners indoors and outdoors. These projects are simple yet visually powerful during the holiday season. Wooden garlands made from small shapes or beads add texture and warmth to walls, staircases, and mantels. They are lightweight, reusable, and full of charm. Natural wood holiday decor fits beautifully with farmhouse, minimalist, traditional, and modern rustic styles, making it appealing to a wide audience. One reason rustic wooden holiday decor is so popular is its durability. These pieces last for many seasons, becoming part of family traditions rather than disposable decorations. DIY wooden holiday projects also make wonderful gifts. People love receiving handmade decor that feels thoughtful and unique. Selling rustic wood holiday decor has strong profit potential because materials are affordable and demand is high during seasonal months. Customers value handmade items and are willing to invest in quality. Photographing wooden holiday decor is easy because natural light and simple styling highlight the beauty of wood grain and texture. Local markets, online shops, and holiday fairs are perfect places to showcase rustic wooden decor. Shoppers are actively looking for cozy, handmade pieces during this time. Creating holiday decor from wood allows you to experiment with finishes, stains, and textures while keeping designs simple. Each project you complete builds skill and confidence, making future creations even better. Rustic wood holiday decor encourages slow, mindful crafting that brings joy to the process itself. These projects connect creativity with tradition, turning simple wood into lasting memories. Even small decorations can have a big emotional impact during the holidays. Wooden decor creates a sense of warmth that plastic or metal decorations cannot match as trends shift towards sustainability. Natural wood holiday decor continues to grow in popularity. Handmade wooden pieces help homes feel calmer, cozier, and more welcoming during busy seasons. Every piece tells a story, from the grain of the wood to the hands that shaped it. This type of decor reminds us that beauty often comes from simplicity. Rustic wood holiday decor brings people together through shared traditions and handmade beauty. Thank you so much for joining me today, my friends, and spending this time exploring warm and timeless rustic wood holiday decor projects. If this video inspired you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts or ideas in the comments. Your support means everything, and together we'll keep creating cozy, meaningful holiday decor that lasts for generations.